Welcome to Nightlife Walks, your window into the world's most vibrant streets after dark. From Manchester to Thailand, Singapore, the UK, USA, and beyond, we explore real nightlife moments, city vibes, street stories, and authentic night adventures, filmed raw, unfiltered, and full of energy. Join the journey. Welcome to another thrilling night in Manchester. Tonight, we dive even deeper into the city's iconic nightlife, exploring streets, hidden gems, and unique venues that make Manchester a destination unlike any other. From historic pubs and eclectic bars to neon-lit clubs and serene canals, every corner is alive with energy, music, and stories waiting to be discovered. Our walk begins at St. Peter's Square, a central hub blending history and modernity. The square is illuminated by streetlights and the soft glow of nearby buildings. People wander through, enjoying the evening air, snapping photos, or simply soaking in the atmosphere. Street performers entertain small crowds, their music and performances adding dynamic layers to the city's nocturnal soundtrack. The blend of history and contemporary life here sets the perfect tone for the night ahead. Heading north, we enter the Northern Quarter, Manchester's creative and bohemian heart. Narrow streets open into alleyways adorned with vibrant murals, graffiti art, and neon signage, each telling a story about the city's cultural evolution. Boutique shops, independent cafes, and unique bars line the streets, offering everything from vintage clothing to specialty cocktails. The aroma of street food, spicy kebabs, sweet churros, and freshly baked pastries, mingles with the evening air, inviting exploration. Visitors linger, capturing photos, enjoying live music, and immersing themselves in the district's artistic energy. Our first stop is a historic pub renowned for its character and charm. Inside, wooden beams, vintage posters, and warm lighting create an inviting ambience. Patrons enjoy craft alesh, cocktails, and traditional pub fare while live acoustic music plays in the background. The combination of history and contemporary nightlife encapsulates Manchester's unique spirit, providing a space where people connect, share stories, and enjoy the night. The pub hums with conversation, laughter, and music, creating a lively yet comfortable environment. Continuing, we explore several live music venues, a testament to Manchester's legendary musical heritage. Bands and DJs prepare for performances while audiences gather outside, eager for the evening's entertainment. Venues vary from intimate spaces fostering close interaction to grand halls with immersive audio-visual experiences. The city's diverse music scene, rock, indie, electronic, jazz, and more, reflects its cultural richness. The streets buzz with anticipation, and the distant sounds of instruments and vocals hint at the excitement awaiting inside. Next, we reach Canal Street, the epicenter of Manchester's LGBTQ+ nightlife. The district is vibrant, inclusive, and full of energy. Rainbow lights reflect on the canals, illuminating the streets and creating a welcoming atmosphere. Bars and clubs spill music into the air, attracting a diverse and enthusiastic crowd. Outdoor seating areas are filled with conversation, laughter, and clinking glasses, while DJs inside maintain a continuous flow of music. Canal Street embodies Manchester's spirit of freedom, acceptance, and celebration, offering an unforgettable experience for all visitors. Deansgate Locks is our next stop, a modern nightlife hub with sleek bars, restaurants, and lounges. Industrial chic architecture, glass facades, and ambient lighting define the district. Outdoor terraces provide spaces for socializing, while indoor venues pulse with music and energy. Patrons enjoy craft cocktails, international cuisines, and fine wines, creating a multisensory experience. Deansgate Locks exemplifies Manchester's ability to blend sophistication, style, and vibrancy, catering to a diverse range of nightlife enthusiasts. Walking through the streets, we notice the interplay between history and modernity. Cobblestones and brickwork hint at the city's industrial past, while neon lights and contemporary art installations showcase its evolving identity. Street performers, buskers, and small live acts add character and vitality, making each step an immersive experience. The city's soundscape, music, conversation, footsteps, and laughter creates a rich auditory background that complements the visual spectacle of Rooftop bars, stylish lounges, and fine dining establishments dominate the streets. Patrons sip cocktails under ambient lighting while admiring panoramic views of the city's skyline. Music ranges from smooth jazz to contemporary hits, enhancing the atmosphere. Outdoor seating areas encourage socializing, while indoor lounges provide intimate experiences. Spinningfield showcases Manchester's versatility, offering refined nightlife while maintaining the city's inherent energy. Quiet corners and serene spaces exist amidst the vibrant nightlife. Canal-side paths, hidden gardens, and rooftop terraces provide places for reflection and relaxation. Reflections of neon lights on water and the distant hum of the city create calming moments, balancing the vibrancy of nearby streets. These spaces remind visitors that nightlife is not only about excitement and activity, but also about appreciating the beauty and uniqueness of the city. Historic pubs continue to contribute to Manchester's nightlife character. They serve as spaces where locals and visitors connect over drinks, live performances, or trivia nights. These establishments provide continuity, preserving the city's cultural heritage while offering modern enjoyment. They are living landmarks, rich with history, stories, and experiences that make Manchester's nightlife authentic and engaging. Culinary experiences are integral to the city's nocturnal life. Street food vendors, late-night restaurants, and fine dining establishments offer flavors from around the world. The aroma of grilled meats, spices, baked goods, and desserts fills the air, complementing music and social energy. Dining options cater to every preference, from classic British cuisine to global specialties, ensuring that every visitor enjoys a complete nightlife experience. As the night progresses, clubs reach peak energy. Music reverberates through streets and venues, while lights, lasers, and reflective surfaces enhance the visual spectacle. Dance floors are packed with revelers, and VIP and lounge areas offer exclusive spaces for socializing and relaxation. Manchester's club scene is diverse, accommodating electronic, pop, indie, and jazz experiences. The energy is immersive, creating a sensory experience that captures the essence of the city at night. Manchester nightlife is a combination of music, drinks, culture, and human connection. Architecture, history, art, and social energy converge to create a city alive with possibility. Each neighborhood offers its own identity, from historic pubs and bohemian quarters to modern lounges and rooftop bars. Walking through these streets at night immerses visitors in the city's character, encouraging exploration, connection, and appreciation of Manchester's dynamic nightlife. Tonight's walk highlights Manchester's diversity and vibrancy. From quiet corners and historic pubs to bustling clubs and modern lounges, the city offers endless experiences. Every street introduces new sights, sounds, and interactions, ensuring that no two nights are the same. Manchester invites visitors to discover, connect, and enjoy the city's vibrant nocturnal identity. As Commentary 6 concludes, the city remains alive, energetic, and full of stories. Manchester's nightlife provides immersive experiences that engage the senses, spark curiosity, and foster connections. From neon-lit alleys to historic pubs, live music venues, and tranquil canal-side spots, every moment offers discovery. Thank you for joining this journey, and remember, Manchester's nights are full of unforgettable experiences waiting to be explored.
That's how I feel right now. I don't
Thanks for watching Nightlife Walks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real street night adventures from cities around the world. Stay connected, stay curious, and join us again on the next unforgettable nightlife journey. Your support keeps the walk alive. See you in the next video.